I want to start out with a little intro to explain why I'm making this tutorial. Basically, I have a media center box that's connected to my TV that I don't have easy access to. I can still secure shell or VNC into the box. I wanted to find a more convenient way to execute certain commands, like shutting down the computer with the click of a button, or restarting the X interface, LIRC in 12.04 or earlier versions GDM, in case Xbox Media Center or Navi-X flaked out, or a video or an error message pops up, things like that. So I dug into this project to execute little scripts in the user local directory. I'll explain that later. To execute the scripts by a click of a button to execute the commands. And to do that, I have a StreamZap remote. It's got 4 color buttons in the bottom that aren't really used for anything. That you can map those to execute those certain commands you want. Things like killing X, shutting down the computer, starting a torrent session, whatever you want to do with it. So that's basically why I did start this project, making this tutorial, see if other people want to try it, see if it's useful for anyone else. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Alright, the first thing you'll need to do is edit your sudo file. The reason behind that is because when your desktop loads up with your notebook user that automatically logs in, it'll need to execute the sudo command without having to enter in a password. So sudo shutdown -h now, for instance. And so you'll need to edit your sudo file so that any certain users will have administrative rights to run sudo without having to enter a password. It just makes things easier to execute a script and map it to your LIRC button. Okay, in this video I'm just showing you the simple scripts I made. One is for shutting down the computer, and these live in the usr/local/bin directory, where all scripts can be set as writable and then executed from anywhere or from any user. And also this is the one for GDM, or LIRC in this case. So it's kill, first line is kill Xbox Media Center, kill LIRC, the X interface, and then the last line is the restart LIRC. And those are the 2 simple examples I have. This little section is on IRW. It's just a little command with LIRC that will show you the output of from your buttons and how they should look in the .lircrc configuration file. This is a good tool to use to map your keys properly with the right syntax. Okay, this last section is on the .lircrc configuration file. This file should go in your home directory that LIRC talks to, or the home directory with the main login, automatic login user. And the configuration should look like this. And basically the config line is for user local bin and then the script name. the button name, the remote type, and the program is IR-exec, which is the program LIRC uses to execute the command or execute the button. It should be in this format, otherwise it won't work correctly. And basically in this example I mapped the shutdown script that I wrote, the small shutdown script, GDM script. Shutdown script will shut down the computer when I press a button. GDM restarts X or light DM. Also, I set up a script to start rtorrent and to kill rtorrent. If I want to use Xbox Media Center built-in tools to do torrent searches and downloads, things like that. So that's basically how I did it. I'll leave all these examples in the notes.